What's up YouTube? Marathon Kicks here, coming at you again from Brisbane, Australia. Been here for a couple of weeks, hanging out with my family, with my in-laws. So it's been really good, really hot, enjoying the beach, all that kind of thing. But I want to bring you a little quick video, another unboxing video. Hearing a lot of people tell me that they like seeing unboxing videos. There's not a lot out there on YouTube for New Balance enthusiasts. So I got a little unboxing video for you today. This is my most recent pickup, the New Balance 1300 ER from 2013. I found this pair on eBay and they didn't ship to New Zealand, so I just got them sent here to Australia. So they've been sitting here for a little bit and finally got to grab them when I arrived over here. As you can see, the box is a little bit beaten up, but really stoked to get this pair. The box is beaten up, but I think the shoes were dead stock, or at least they look dead stock to me. The soles look really crispy and everything else looks as it should be. Super nice colorway. These are one of my really favorite 1300s. I've got a lot of favorite 1300s, to be honest. You might not realize, but I've been trying to collect every single one in existence. I'm doing okay. I think I'm over 40 pairs. Like, I'm well over 40 pairs of 1300s, but I can't remember how many different colorways I have. I need to go up and have a count, and maybe I should bring a collection video of those here on the channel, and I'll get around to that. But if you want to check out all the 1300s, a lot of them I haven't finished updating, but I've got a 1300 archive, and I'll post the link for that down in the description. There's some models that I haven't updated, the recent ones from 2017 from last year, also some of the JPs and CLs and things like that I haven't added into the list, but most people sort of know where they are in terms of 95, 2005 years, as follows. But yeah, this is a super nice shoe. All the 1300s with this sort of grey base are really good. Some like nice mesh, and then just the hits of color in terms of the blue and the red just really make the shoe pop. So I'm going to show you guys an on feet video in a minute, and you probably saw a little bit of on feet in the introduction. But yeah, I'll just swing around and show you guys a bit of a close-up of the shoe. Well, there you have it. This era, I think, from sort of 2011 to 2013, there's some really nice shoes. In fact, 2012, I think, was one of the strongest years for 1300s. So many good pairs, and 1300 DB is definitely the highlight of that year for me, and one that still eludes me. 2011, actually, there was only one pair, I believe, the 1300 LG, that light grey pair, which is amazing. And obviously the CL, I think, came out in that year as well. But 2012, 2013, both good years. Actually, I'm missing quite a few in 2013. 2014, I've got every single pair, which is cool. Anyways, that is the shoe. Check out the on feet video. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment, all those things. Thanks so much for the support. All the best for the new year.